Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on the rear axles. We've replaced the bearings for the rear wheels. Both of them were in bad shape, driver's side more so than passenger. I'll have a clip come right up, show you the before, and then we'll show you the after. But they were in pretty bad shape, been sitting around for quite a while, I guess. And we even pulled the bearings out and looked at them, and they were pretty scarred up and stuff. So they could have been the original ones on the car. We're not 100% sure. So got the new bearings pressed on last night. So we're gonna get everything wrapped up and get them in. But here's the clip of the before, and then we'll show you the clip of the after, and then getting them back on the car. All right, guys, hang tight. Passenger side. Driver's side. Passenger. Drivers. All right, so passenger, driver. So you saw the before. So here is the after. This is the drivers. I mean, perfect. No sound. Perfect. Got the new retaining clip on. Nuts locked down. Used a little red Loctite on them as well. All right, passenger. I mean, just it's perfect. Just perfect. Same thing here. Locked everything down. So we're good to go and come out. So there we go, passenger, drivers. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get them loaded back in here. I've already got the new seals in there, so we should be good to go. We'll get them slide in, bolt everything back up, calipers back on. We'll do the bleed process for the brakes and go take it for a ride. All right, guys, I've got them in. I'm gonna adjust the emergency brake out, but let's come up underneath here. The axles are in, they're torqued down. Got the lock bolt nuts or whatever you wanna call it on. So maybe a better angle here. So everything is on and bolted and torqued. Now I'm just gonna get the emergency brake cables on, adjust the emergency brakes for the car, then get the calipers on, and then bleed the car. All right, hang tight for the next stage. All right, calipers are on. Get some of the extra brake fluid off. So they're on both sides here. Come up underneath the lift. We've got them torqued. We've got the brake lines are in. We should be pretty good to go there. This brake fluid is disgusting. Everything's in, all torqued up. So the next step is bleeding. We also have got the emergency brake lines are in, and those are secured down the way they're supposed to be. And they spin. So I'll probably have to adjust the emergency brake just a little bit more. So now I'm gonna focus on bleeding the brakes. All right, guys, hang tight. All right, guys, that is a wrap. Wheel bearings are in. The car drives smoother than it did with the old wheel bearings in. All that's left now is the dash, and I'm going to send it over to an Alfa shop in the next week and a half. I'm going to do kind of just an inspection of the car and figure out if there's anything I need to just kind of polish up, fix before we get this thing on Bring a Trailer. If you're interested in buying it, please comment below, leave me your email address, and I will get with you and we can talk a little bit about selling it before it hits Bring a Trailer. But until the next video, which hopefully will be the dash, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and God bless.